Just a quick video showing some more operating modes really of the Roco digital wagon set. This particular set is 66112 and it looks like that but in a different livery. I've got that one as well, and you get add-on detail parts there. You get wagon loads, a brilliant set, very well packaged, and you get all the information there. That's what a box looks like. I've shown it in the past, but I've never actually operated it in the different operating modes. There's 3 different modes: 0, 1 and 2, which are selectable on CV62. Default is operating mode number 1, which is very simple. It just operates the wagons on a function 1 and 2 for wagon 1 and wagon 2, which open and close. The centre wagon, that's got the electronics, the speaker and all the advanced decoder inside there, and electronic linkages to that wagon and that wagon. Mode 2, oh yeah, okay, tea's ready. Sorry about that. Mode 2 is where you can select function 3 on the command station. If you set that up, that locks the wagons in open or close mode, depending on whether you want that enabled. Means when you restart the command station, sometimes in mode 1 it will shut the hoods automatically. If you don't want that to happen, you can lock them using function 3 in mode 2. Yeah, so now the setup in operating mode 0, which is CV62 and 0 on the CV setting. So when that happens, it enables you to control the hoods on the ECOS dial or a handheld unit. So I'm just going to reverse the direction. And the faster you turn the dial, or the slower you turn the dial, it stops. Let's bring it to a stop. Just like working a loco really along the track. And the faster you turn the dial, the faster it opens or closes. So if I go to, that's F1, if I go to F2, that's it, reverse direction, and that'll close them. You can stop it anywhere you want. Let's just swap over wagon number 1. It's reverse direction. You can stop it anywhere. Carry on again. Or just have it slightly open. Let's do a slightly open door. There you go. So there's loads of different ways you can control these wagons. So I just thought I'd show that anyway for anyone who's got this set and I'm not sure about those features. Okay, thanks for watching.